Watching this video until the end will teach you 3 things: how to make money online easily and fast, how to find profitable product, and how to get these products seen. In order to get this sort of information, you'd usually need to pay $997 for a course teaching this, but my mission this year is to help as many people as possible, so I'm going to share this for free. All I ask is for you to tap the like button. 5 years ago, I really struggled getting customers. No matter how many videos I watched, no matter how many courses I purchased, I just could not make it work for me. I couldn't produce any sales. I spent day after day looking at my phone and emails for notifications of sales, but every time I looked, nothing. It was so frustrating that I gave up. Then I was reminded about my why, and I wanted to make it as an affiliate marketer. So the devastation started all over again and again and again. One day, after hundreds of failed attempts, I released a video showing people how to create an HTML email signature. This video only contained value. There was no selling, no email capture pages, just pure focus on helping my viewers. Kind of like what I'm doing today. Although this method felt so simple to me, it was actually something over 150,000 people had benefited from. That's when it clicked. What if I focus on helping others achieve their goals and at the same time provide them with a product that helps them achieve their goals? There is no I in this, it's just them. Why wouldn't they buy? Applying this method allowed me to generate over $700,000 last year in sales for the products I promoted, and that is with zero paid traffic. But when I was trying to find the right product, I had no idea on what it looks like or how to present the product until I cracked the code. This is why what I'm about to share with you is one of the easiest ways to make money online. It does not require selling, it does not require creating a product or dealing with customers. I think this is one of the most lucrative ways to earn an income online. You would pick up an item in your house or something you use online. You'll then pick up your mobile phone or camera and record yourself using it. Upload the video to YouTube and place your affiliate link in the description and publish the video. Repeat this cycle and you'll be surprised at how fast you'll earn an income. You might be thinking, is that it? Is that all there is? Well, yeah, that's all it truly takes. We often overcomplicate things because we are taught to self-sabotage. But think about it for a second. There are unlimited amounts of people every day looking to buy a product. Before they buy it, they want to make sure it's worth the money. So if you record yourself reviewing the product, then your video will be found on YouTube because YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. They watch the video and you direct them to the description to purchase. If you review every item in your house, being underwear, TVs, computers, lamps, little gadgets, card games, Xbox, but anything you can get your hands on, the chances are you can find the product on Amazon or from the vendor's website, become an affiliate and earn. The most important thing about this method is just getting started. Don't worry if the video is rough around the edges. It doesn't matter when you first get started. You're brand new to it all. Just do it and improve as you go. Even the glossiest of videos you see online did not start off the way they are now, but they did take action and they learned as they went and they created content. It should go without saying, but the more videos you post, the faster you will earn. This brings us to the end of this moneymaker, and I hope you take action today by working smarter and not harder. Thank you for watching. Until next time.